Look closely at your hands for a moment. Do they look older than your face? Many seniors notice this first. The skin becomes thin. Wrinkles appear. Dark spots show up. Veins start to stand out. And suddenly, your hands reveal your age faster than anything else. But here's something surprising. Dermatology research shows that dryness and sun damage are two of the biggest reasons hands age so quickly. In this video, you will discover one simple oil that may help restore softness and improve the look of aging hands. But there is also one mistake most people make while using it, and that mistake can make your hands look even older. Stay with me. The remedy is virgin coconut oil. This simple oil is already in many kitchens, yet many people do not know how helpful it can be for aging hands. As we get older, the skin loses moisture faster. The protective barrier becomes weak. This causes dryness, rough texture, and those thin, crepey lines many seniors notice. Dermatology research shows that coconut oil works as a natural moisturizer. It helps reduce water loss from the skin. When the skin holds more moisture, it looks smoother and healthier. This does not mean it magically removes every wrinkle, but it can make aging hands look softer, fuller, and more youthful. Coconut oil contains natural fatty acids. One of the main ones is lauric acid. This fatty acid helps strengthen the skin barrier. When the barrier improves, the skin can hold hydration better. Hydrated skin reflects light differently. That is why well-moisturized hands appear smoother and less wrinkled. Some studies on dry skin conditions have shown that coconut oil can improve skin hydration and reduce roughness. For seniors whose hands feel thin, dry, or flaky, this can make a noticeable difference. Another reason hands age quickly is frequent washing. Many older adults wash dishes, clean the house, and use hand sanitizer often. Soap and alcohol remove natural oils from the skin. Over time, the skin becomes dry and fragile. Small cracks may appear. Coconut oil works as an occlusive layer. This means it seals moisture inside the skin. It creates a protective layer that slows down water loss. When used regularly, it helps restore softness. Now the key question is how to use it correctly. Most people make the mistake of rubbing oil on completely dry skin. This reduces its effectiveness. The best time to apply coconut oil is right after washing your hands. Pat your hands slightly dry. Leave a little moisture on the skin. Then take a small amount of virgin coconut oil. Massage it gently over the back of the hands and fingers. The oil helps trap that remaining moisture inside the skin. Nighttime is the most powerful moment to use this remedy. Before bed, wash your hands with mild soap. Pat them dry. Apply a thin layer of coconut oil. Massage it slowly for about 30 seconds. Focus on the back of the hands where wrinkles and spots are most visible. After applying the oil, you can wear light cotton gloves. This simple step allows the oil to stay on the skin longer. During sleep, the skin repairs itself. In the morning, the hands often feel softer and smoother. Consistency is very important. One application will not change years of dryness, but using coconut oil daily can gradually improve the skin's appearance. Many seniors notice the difference within a few weeks. The skin begins to feel more flexible. The rough texture reduces. Fine dryness lines may look less visible. It is also important to understand what this oil cannot do alone. Coconut oil does not erase deep age spots instantly. It does not rebuild lost collagen overnight. And it will not remove visible veins. These changes happen because the skin becomes thinner with age. Oil mainly improves hydration and surface texture. But even that improvement can make hands look healthier and younger. So, there's another small tip that can make the oil work even better. Gentle massage actually improves blood circulation in the skin. When you're applying the oil, try to massage each finger slowly, moving from the knuckles toward the wrist. This helps increase circulation and lets the skin absorb moisture more effectively. Also, you'll want to choose unrefined or virgin coconut oil whenever possible. Refined oils might lose some of their beneficial compounds during processing. Virgin coconut oil, on the other hand, keeps more of its natural nutrients and antioxidants. And finally, always test a small amount on your skin first, since some people have sensitive skin. If any irritation appears, it's best to stop using it. But for most people, coconut oil is gentle and really well tolerated. This simple routine might seem basic, but sometimes the most powerful skin improvements come from just restoring moisture and protecting the skin barrier. And that's exactly what coconut oil helps your hands do. Even though coconut oil can help improve dryness and texture, it's important to understand why hands age in the first place. A lot of people think wrinkles alone make hands look old, but honestly, that's only part of the story. Aging hands usually happen because of several changes all happening at the same time. When you understand these causes, it actually becomes easier to improve the appearance of your hands and protect them from further damage. The first and most common cause is loss of natural moisture. As people age, the skin produces less oil, and the outer layer of the skin gets weaker. This means water escapes more easily from the skin surface. The result is dry, rough, and thin-looking skin. When the skin is dehydrated, tiny lines become more visible, which creates that crepey texture many seniors notice on the back of their hands. Moisturizing oils like coconut oil help because they slow down water loss and support the skin barrier. The second major cause is sun exposure. The backs of the hands get sunlight almost every day for decades, and unlike the face, people rarely apply sunscreen to their hands. Over time, ultraviolet light damages collagen and elastin. Those are the proteins that keep skin firm and smooth. When they break down, the skin starts to sag and wrinkle. Sun exposure also triggers the production of extra pigment, and that's why many seniors develop dark spots, often called age spots, on their hands. So, these spots are not actually caused by the liver, even though people sometimes call them liver spots. They're usually the result of, years of sun exposure. Oils alone cannot completely remove these spots. However, keeping the skin moisturized can make the overall appearance of the hands look smoother and healthier. When the skin surface becomes softer and more hydrated, the spots may appear less harsh and, less noticeable. Another reason hands look older is thinning skin. As we age, the layers of the skin gradually lose collagen. Collagen acts like a support structure inside the skin. When collagen levels decline, the skin becomes thinner and more fragile. This makes veins and tendons more visible on the back of the hands. Many seniors notice that their hands begin to look bony or hollow. This is a natural part of aging. Moisturizing treatments can improve the skin's surface, but cannot fully replace lost collagen. Frequent exposure to harsh soaps and cleaning chemicals also speeds up the aging process. Many people wash their hands many times a day. Others use strong dishwashing liquids or cleaning products without gloves. These substances remove the skin's protective oils. Over time, the skin barrier becomes damaged. When the barrier weakens, the skin loses moisture even faster. This leads to dryness, irritation, and premature wrinkles. Another modern factor is the heavy use of hand sanitizers. Alcohol-based sanitizers are helpful for hygiene, but frequent use can strip moisture from the skin. If sanitizers are used many times a day without applying moisturizer afterward, the hands can become extremely dry. Dryness makes wrinkles appear deeper and the skin look older. Temperature also plays a role. Hot water removes natural oils from the skin. Many people wash their hands with very hot water during winter or while washing dishes. This habit may feel comfortable, but it can worsen dryness and damage the skin barrier. Using lukewarm water instead can help protect the skin. There is also the issue of reduced circulation and slower skin renewal with age. Younger skin replaces damaged cells more quickly. Older skin renews itself more slowly. This means rough texture and dullness may stay visible for longer periods. Gentle massage during oil application can help stimulate blood flow and support the skin's natural repair process. Another small but important factor is lack of protection during household work. When people clean, garden, or wash dishes without gloves, their hands are exposed to water, chemicals, and friction. This repeated exposure slowly damages the skin barrier. Wearing simple protective gloves during chores can reduce this damage significantly. So when someone asks why their hands suddenly look 10 or 20 years older, the answer is usually not one single problem. It is a combination of dryness, sun damage, collagen loss, and daily wear and tear. Coconut oil helps by improving one of the biggest factors, which is moisture loss. But protecting the hands from further damage is just as important as moisturizing them. Once you understand these hidden causes, the solution becomes clearer. Improving hydration, protecting the skin barrier, and reducing daily damage can gradually change how the hands look and feel. And in the next section, you will discover a simple routine and a few critical mistakes that many people make. Avoiding these mistakes can make a surprising difference in how youthful your hands appear over time. Now that you understand why hands age and how coconut oil helps restore moisture, the next step is building a simple routine that protects the skin every day. The first step is gentle cleansing. Use a mild soap instead of harsh antibacterial products whenever possible. Strong soaps remove the natural oils your skin needs. Wash your hands with lukewarm water, not hot water. Hot water strips moisture quickly and makes the skin dry and fragile. After washing, gently pat your hands dry. Do not rub them aggressively with a towel. The second step is daily moisturization. Right after washing your hands, apply a small amount of moisturizer or coconut oil. Slightly damp skin absorbs moisture better. Massage the oil slowly across the back of the hands and between the fingers. This helps trap hydration inside the skin. Nighttime is the best moment for deeper repair. Before going to bed, apply a thin layer of virgin coconut oil again. Massage it gently for about 30 seconds. If possible, wear light cotton gloves while sleeping. This allows the oil to stay on the skin longer and work overnight. The third step is sun protection. Many people protect their face but forget their hands. Ultraviolet rays are one of the biggest reasons hands age early. Applying sunscreen on the back of the hands during the day can prevent new dark spots and wrinkles from forming. This simple habit can slow visible aging more than most people realize. There are also a few mistakes you should avoid. Do not rely on oils alone to remove dark spots or deep wrinkles. Oil improves hydration, not pigment changes. Avoid using strong essential oils directly on aging skin. Some of them can cause irritation or allergic reactions. Always test new products on a small area first. Finally, pay attention to unusual skin changes. If a spot grows, bleeds, or changes color, it should be checked by a dermatologist. Not every spot on the hand is harmless. Taking care of your hands with simple habits like moisturizing, protecting from sun, and avoiding harsh chemicals can gradually improve how they look. Over time, these small steps can make your hands appear softer, healthier, and noticeably younger.